Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really important to share with all of you. If you're struggling with the not pixel issue in Not Pixel Bot, then this video is exactly what you need. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix one of the most common problems that many users face. When you click on a pixel in the image, but it doesn't register, showing 0 inches instead of the expected points. It's frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, because I'll guide you step by step on how to solve this issue. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the daily content I upload. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So make sure to join. Let's get started. So first things first, let me explain what's going on. The problem happens because you're trying to draw on a pixel that's either already been claimed by someone else, or you're using the wrong color. You need to be in the right template, and make sure your color choice aligns with the one in the image. Here's what you need to do. Select the right template. Make sure you're working within the template provided by the bot. You can't just draw anywhere outside the designated area. Choose the correct color. You also can't use the same color that's already on the pixel. For example, if the pixel is black, you'll need to pick another color that fits with the design. Now let's walk through the steps to fix this. Open your template. On the side panel, click on the My Template button and then select Catalog. This will show you all the available designs you can work on. Choose your design. Pick a simple design to start with. It's always better to go with something easy at first. For instance, let's pick a design like the Bloom image, and then click on Select Template. Work on your design. Once the template is loaded, you'll see it appear on your screen. Now you can start drawing. But remember, choose your colors carefully. For example, if you're working with black, it might have different shades, so be sure to pick the right one. Start drawing and earning points. As you draw, you should notice the points adding up. For example, if I click here and draw a pixel, it'll register as 12 points. If you're fast, you can earn a lot of points, but keep in mind that others are working on the same design too. You'll see that the pixels change color as you go along because there are other people working on the same project. But as long as you follow the template and use the correct colors, you'll keep earning your points. Stay focused and quick. If you want to maximize your earnings, try to stay quick and efficient. The more precise you are, the more points you'll rack up. And that's it. Once you finish, you'll have earned all the points you need. It's that simple. Just follow the right template and choose your colors carefully. I hope this video helped you solve the not pixel issue and gave you some useful tips. If it did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.